Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. So here we are tweaking the trades based on the price action concept. So I'm using the platform IQ option. So if you are from India, you need to use the Xnova, which is almost similar. You can use the Xnova platform. Other than India, IQ option is available. Okay. So both for the IQ option and Xnova, the links are in my description to create a free demo account. Now let us move on to the market Euro USD, which is a real market. Today the date is 17th November, which is a market opening day. So I will like to go for the call option here. So the reason for the call option is simple. This is a buyers, and this is our strong neckline where the changing of a point from buyers to ranging mode. This is a ranging mode of the head and shoulder pattern. So this point is called as a neckline point. This will as a strong buyers area. So I'm expecting at least one candle of a bias as a retracement to the downtrend. Okay. So we lost a with a very marginal. So we can still place a call option. If not here, next candle will be definitely a bias candle. Euro GPY, the market is moving with a high movement of buyers. Euro USD OTC. Let us take the Euro USD OTC chart, analyze the market. So this is our support, and upper side this is a resistance, and this is a minor resistance, and this is our minor support. The market is fluctuating between these two. After fluctuating between these two, it moves towards a downward direction in this way. So after that, it trying to break the level. So I will add a small minor trend line. Based on the trend line, I will place the trade towards a downward direction because the market is in a lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Okay. So this trade we will place towards a downward direction. Euro USD OTC. Let us check the previous one is our winning trade. Next candle I will go for the sellers, but very good marginal safety like this. If the candle moves still upward direction, so the in this candle also there are the entry points. The half of the previous candle has a very good entry point or from the this entry point. So this is our best entry point to place a downward direction trade. So this market is also moving downward direction as we predicted. So what is the reason for the downward direction? Previous, these are the support and resistance. These are the new support and resistance. This is a strong support area. After support area, it breaks the support area and it is moving downward direction with a bearish engulfing pattern. Overall the overall market is a downtrend market. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So this is our winning trade. Let us go with the Euro JPY. Here also I will place a downward direction. Okay, so I place a downward direction trade here. So what is the reason for the downward direction trade? As the market moves, breaks the previous topmost head and shoulder pattern, it mustn't need to be break or it takes a reversals here. So this is a strong reversal, but I'm still expecting there will be a counter of this bias. Okay, if there is a bias, there will be at least 50% will be a counter. So these come under the concept of elite waves. Okay, elite waves and the Fibonacci retracements. Okay, in upcoming videos I will upload the elite waves and the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so on that note I'm expecting a counter, so I place a downward direction trade here. So this is also our winning trade. Let us take the last trade. What is the trend here? The trend is in a downtrend. Simple. What is the previous resistance? This is the resistance for this one, and this is the support for these candlesticks. This is our trend line. Let us draw a minor trend line. What is the market structure? Lower highs and lower lows. These are the market structures. So now come back to the last previous candlestick. Analyze the last 3 candlestick or 10 candlestick to get a clear data. So still there is a full of gap between these two. Okay, I'm not placing the trade because here there is expiration of 5 minutes. Let us come back with another chart. Any random chart, AUD CAD OTC. So keep in your mind, price action is not at all different for the OTC market and also for the real market. Okay, it is based upon you, how you analyze the market, how you read the candlesticks in deep. Okay, so if anyone interested to learn the price action in depth from basics, very basics, from fundamentals to chart patterns, so you can contact me. The contact ID is in my description, video description. Through there you can contact me. So I'm placing a downward direction trade. The reason here market begins to form a ranging mode. This is called as a ranging mode, where the market is in a no equal highs and equal lows. This we called it as a market structure. So these are the equal highs with evening star pattern, and also the bearish engulfing with a strong red candlesticks. After that bullish engulfing, no retracement candle. So I'm expecting a retracement candle here. That's why I place a downward direction trade here. Okay, this is our bullish engulfing pattern. Retracement candle should be a sellers, but unfortunately is a bias with very weak candle. So I'm clearly this is a sign next candle will be a sellers. So these are the trades based on the price action. If you have more doubts based on the price action, you can comment in my comment box. Okay, you can join my telegram, and if you want to learn price action, you can contact me through my telegram ID. Telegram ID is also in my description. Thank you very much.